Hello everybody! In this video we would like to show how you can easily and conveniently record the screen on your iPhone. So first of all, you want to swipe down from the top right part of your display just like so, in order for the control center to be launched. In here, locate the screen recording shortcut, or as your case is similar to mine and you do not have it in here, you want to open up the settings app. Here scroll down and access the control center category. In here, scroll down once again into the more controls section and tap on the screen recording shortcut in order for it to be added, or to be precise, just tap on the green plus icon. Now, as you can see, the screen recording has been successfully added to the included controls list, and once we launch the control center again, we'll see that the screen recording shortcut is successfully added. Now, in order for you to start the screen recording, you want to tap on this icon, wait for the countdown to be finished, and as you can see by the fact that this red frame, this red rectangular has appeared right here on the top left part of your display, that ultimately means that the screen recording has been successfully started. Now, if you want to finish or if you want to end your screen recording, just simply tap and select stop. And as you can see that your screen recording has been saved to the photos, so let's open up the Photos application or the gallery. In here we want to open the Recents album, and in here we can see that our screen recording has been successfully added. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.